that shit charred. Voodoo like YuGiOh, drugging up all night you. Voodoo like YuGiOh.
Hey gang, it's your boy Saul, coming in first this week with Chaos Hydrolaner BA. It's a good deck, guys. A lot of fun. Gonna pull 2 packs of Toon Chaos. Gonna start with this one here. It's got a tag. Let's start with Crossover, Mass Hero Blast, Witch of the Black Forest, Sublimation Knight, Blackluster Soldier Sacred Soldier, a Pot of Desires, and a number 68 Santa Font. Not bad. Let's go for that second pack. A Blackluster Soldier, Envoy the Beginning, Crossover, Proglia, a Magician of Hope, Blackluster Soldier Sacred Soldier, another Pot of Desires, and a True King Lithosagam. Not bad. And that's my packs, guys.
That was our first place. Saul bringing that BA Chaos. Playing Hand Trap Shadalls. Sky Squad.
Yeah.
Coming in second.
We got Crossover, Pragleo, Dark Flare Dragon, Chaos Space, Sangan, Mass Tarot Vape, and Code Generator.
There you go. It's a good one. Now Sky Squad bringing it in with them Hand Trap Shadalls. Boom! Here comes Red. Playing Ritual Beast today.
As always, fucking placing third. Freaking underdog over here. What the
You couldn't have played it any better.
big meme of the group.
Man, if I can take fourth and take it like a champ, you can take third.
Dang, they really don't want me to open this.
I thought for sure the trap tricks were gonna
Hell no.
Yeah, I thought the trap tricks were gonna...
probably trump everything today, but
No, dude, I left my neck knives on the side, man. I didn't have those with me. Oh, I got them, but they weren't in the deck.
So we got
Shit works.
Gemini, whatever, Diane, Envoy the Beginning, Magician of Hope,
ooh,
Sangan, Stardust, and Envoy Chaos.
that's not a bad pack. It's not a bad pack at all.
Come on.
Bring it in.
Alright.
Is that collector's extravagance?
Medusa here, taking fourth place with Trap Tricks. In the last pack of Toon Chaos. Oh, come on.
Don't you need any more of those for Forrest?
Yeah, there we go. There we are, baby. We got Mud Dragon of the Swamp, Chaos Emperor Dragon, Envoy of the End, Master of Vapor, Toon Terror, Supervise, Light Flare Dragon, Light Pulsar, I'm sorry, and Curse of Dragonfire.
And that's it. And this wraps it up for our YQCS 7 for Metagang. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to Metagang. Hit the bell icon.
Voodoo like YuGiOh.
Don't give a fuck where I go, I'ma pop things. Pop tags, yeah, she got hella ass, and you know she got class, and you know that she like me, hey, and she wifey, finest young nigga.